Hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Stony Girl is here. Once again, we are recycling some items, making the best out of waste. As we always say, don't throw it away just yet. Now, this is a surprise. Let's see what the Stony Girl is going to recycle this time around. And this is a multi-purpose item. It has a lot that you can use it for, therefore it doesn't have a name. As you can see at the moment, this is a table. Is it a table? Is it a stool? I'm not sure. Please write for me a name in the comment section. Let me know what name you can give this. As you can see here, I'm using it as a table. I'm at the balcony. I'm serving some drink, just chilling and relaxing. Let's see what this is and what is it that we recycled. So a few days ago, I went to the supermarket and bought some detergent, and I was given some buckets as a gift. I've been using these buckets to plant some items at my small kitchen garden. That's why you can see this bucket has a lot of soil in it. So I'm thinking of recycling today, using it into another new thing that is a surprise. I have thrown away all the plants and I'm washing it so that we get it clean, ready for some DIY. I'm not going to tell you what we are making today, but I want you to move with me step by step. Let us be patient. Let us watch together, enjoy the movie. Let us see how this is going to come out. Like I told you earlier, we are making a multi-purpose item which has no name, but you've promised you're going to tell me the name at the comment section. So here I'm just washing it to make it clean. I have two of them, so I'm just showing you how I washed one, but we are using two. So after washing it, I'm going to get other items. I'm sorry again, I'm not introducing all the items at the beginning, but I want us to move together. Just be attentive, follow with me closely. After every step, get to know which new item I'm introducing that I'm using to recycle it. So here we are. I've washed them, they're clean, but I've noticed that there are some line at the bottom of the bucket that will not make it balance properly, because I've said we are going to stick the two together. So I've just thought of cutting it out with some knife. You can use anything you have that is sharp. So I'm just cutting that line off so that when I stick the buckets together, they can stick closely and tightly. I just want that surface at the bottom to be very, very flat. So I'm going to cut the two. Then I'm going to use a glue gun to stick them together. You can stick them in any way you want, either from the top so that they are attached to each other, or you can stick them from the bottom like I'm going to do. So I've always thought of doing this for a long time, but finally here we are. We are doing this DIY today. So my buckets are ready. I want to stick them now together. I've even cut out some piece there that was holding the handle. I know you know that. So I'm going to use a glue gun to stick the two together. Then after that, we are going to see what happens in the next step. Don't go away.
Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face.
So this is ready. I've joined them into one piece, and the next item I'm introducing that we are using in the DIY is a rope. I've used this a number of times in almost all my DIYs. I use the rope so many times. I love using this because it looks a bit unique, it looks a bit natural, though the rope I'm using it's plastic. You can use sisal, any rope that you can get, anyone that is strong. It depends on your area where you come from. For me, I'm using the plastic one because that is the one I got from the supermarket, readily available. So I'm sticking the rope around the two buckets that I joined together. I want to use the rope to cover the buckets fully. Like, you're not going to realize I used a bucket. I'm going to cover it fully. So I've started from the inside, then we are going to go around, though from the outside. We are not covering the inside. It's neat. I had cleaned it, so no worries. So I'm going to stick this all around. You have to be patient. Very patient. For you to do this, sticking it in a line straight together, sticking them so closely and neatly. My dear, you need to be patient. So let us sit back, relax. Let's watch this as it goes step by step, though we are going to try and do it faster. Don't get tired. So I'm going to stick the rope around the bucket, all around the bucket. You're not going to see, or you're not going to realize we used a bucket. By all means, trust me, I'm sure of this. So the secret is stick your rope neatly, closely. Don't get tired, just do it patiently, one line at a time. And use enough glue. You want this to be durable. You want to use it as long as you want, not for a short period of time. So it's a lot of work, but if you're dedicated, you're going to make it. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. This is the place to be. We do a lot of DIYs. We recycle a lot of items that we have used before, but we are not throwing anything. We don't throw any item. Whether you have used it or it is new, or you feel like you don't have any use for it, just be creative. Don't throw it away just yet. Let's see how we can reuse it. We also have other content that we post each and every time. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe. Please subscribe, like the videos, and always leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you have learned. Is this helpful? Please leave a comment. If you have any other idea, we share. We do this together. It's not one-sided. I get comments, guys, asking me, can you make this? What do you use here? What works best if I can't get such and such? So let's chat in the comment section. Let's share what works best for you. If you have done this before, or if this is new, what do you think? So for my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I'm this far because of your support.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though.
using at the top there is a cake pot. You can use anything. You can even use a glass, any item that you can recycle. So see how it looks, guys. Don't you love this? Who is seeing a bucket? Who can imagine there's a bucket inside there? I really love how this came out. A lot of work, but it's worth it. So my storage, there we go. I've kept a few items there. Now, I'm sorry, but I'm going to paint this. I just thought that I have a little bit of a problem with some yellow in my living room. So I thought of using blue because blue is a bit cool. It can go with anything. It's not so shouting. So instead of leaving this as yellow, the original color of the rope, I thought of painting it some blue color. I used blue, no reason about the choice of color. I just used blue because that is what is available, that is what I have. Remember, we are using what's ready. We are recycling what we already have. So if you are thinking of doing any color, you can either paint, you can even spray it. Actually, spray paint is the best because it doesn't give you a lot of work to use brush. You want to paint all the corners, all the spaces, so that the paint gets into every little space. If you use a spray paint, it covers it fully and very fast. So I'm going to use teal blue. This is teal blue. I love teal blue. Of all the shades of blue, teal blue is my best. So I'm using teal blue, and it's going to mix with the yellow, and you're going to see some green. Though I did 2 layers so that it doesn't really remain as green. I used thick paint. I didn't really mix it with water. This is water-based paint. So I used blue around 2 layers so that it holds it into some dark blue. And like I said, you can spray paint it. It's even faster if you don't have that patience. If you are not so keen with colors, but you can spray. Even gold is nice. So I've covered the whole of that with the blue, and I thought of doing some little deco, something interesting, not so plain, with some sky blue, just to break the monotony a little bit. You don't have to be so boring. Think of something interesting. So I'm using light blue or sky blue around the center where the 2 buckets are connecting, just to make it more interesting. And I think it's okay. It looks nice. Look at this. I also used it as a pot. I've just put my plant in there, and it looks so beautiful. It looks so nice. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking the video, commenting, and share this with a friend. I hope you have learned something and you have loved it. Till I see you next time. Bye bye.